Hi, welcome back at another Just Sawdust workshop. It's time for a triple chaos project again. Made so many things that were related to furniture and things like that, so time to make another 3-string guitar. This neck I made, I don't know, 1.5 years ago, something, maybe 2 years ago, and there's a video somewhere on me explaining why I make the necks like I make them, and if I can find it I'll link it up in the left corner there, well, the right corner from your point of view. And the boxes that I use, this is the last one from 4 boxes that came out of a little sewing cabinet that you can fold open, and I've already made 3 guitars and there are videos on them, but this one still wasn't done. They were beach boxes, which I changed the fronts and the backs from. So this one I put some oak on top, and I've got an old panel on the back. Well, you will see that later, but that's like from a 18th century cabinet door. So I've made a hole in it. It's a sound hole, and I've spent a lot of time making this steel plate, which is going to be in the sound hole, and everything will, you know, become clear when we are getting on with this thing. So I guess the neck is now roughly made, and there's going to be, of course, a pickup in there, and as you can see there's not enough room for the pickup, it isn't deep enough. That's why I glued this big piece of wood on the back, so I can now router out the spot for the pickup. So let's get on with it. headstock is glued together, and maybe you're wondering why this is such a strange setup. This neck was originally made for another guitar which had a little box, like a little tin can on the end, like I do at more recycled box guitars. But in this case it's going to be different, and I've got tuners that need to be on the underside. I mean, they turn the wrong way, because that's what you get when you have a set of 6, 3 for the top, 3 for at the bottom, and well, they turn the wrong way if you put them on top. But why not use them? It came in a package that I found somewhere, I don't know. If I order tuners, then of course I can, you know, order the right ones, but every now and then you get like a package of 6 or whatever, and then, well, there are some that meant to be on the bottom, so I made a neck that goes like up, and these will fit in so they turn the right way. That's why there's such a strange glue up, but I think it will work. So as you see, the box is ready with that back panel of a cabinet door that was from, I don't know, maybe 18th century, really old and a bit bowed, but well, that makes it nice. And of course we've got the box now ready with a place for a sliding pickup. And where I got that inspiration from, let you see that in the next video, because this is it for now. I'll let the glue dry on the neck here, and then in the next video we'll make the fretboard out of this Brazilian hardwood that's coming from the pile of little pieces I've got that were like samples from a shop. We will round over the neck and maybe even finish the whole guitar, who knows. For now I would say do some woodworking. It's a nice way to spend your time. Do some recycling, use reclaimed materials. It's an even better way to spend your time. And see you soon in the next video. At the logo.